subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Realme 12 Pro, Realme 12 Plus, and Realme 12 Pro Plus, the company has now launched the affordable version of it in India as Realme 12, with quiet identical design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of the Realme 12 smartphone. The Realme 12 5G features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 120 Hz refresh rate, and up to 950 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using internal storage, and it has 128 GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB via hybrid microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Realme 12 5G sports a dual camera setup under circular ring at the top center, that includes a 108-megapixel main camera, with f1.75 aperture, along with the 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 14 out of the box, based on Realme UI 5.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance, and it also includes dual stereo speakers powered by high-res technology. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76.1 by 7.69mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme 12 5G has been priced in India for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 16,999 Indian rupees, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 17,999 Indian rupees. And it is currently available at a discount price as follows for a limited period of time. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in woodland green and twilight purple color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme 12 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.
Yeah.